Hello, good evening. I am the grandson of Bahadur Shah Zafar and Chairman Managing Director for Mughal Empress Lodges Private Limited. And Mr. Hussain, he came from Iraq. We have a contract with the government, Mr. Hussain company, Musafir, and we have a medical tourism. I checked with the Indian ambassador last 2 months back that India, mostly 1,800 to 900 people are coming to India for medical tourism. It gives a very heavy revenue for Indian government, and we are sending mostly 600 to 700 passengers to Iraq. So we have a tie-up with the Musafir company toward the Indian company, and give the good relation between India and Iraq. So I request all the media people to inform any people who wants to go to Iraq. You can contact us. This is holy shrines was there because our Prophet Muhammad great grandson is there, and most of them after the Medina. This is the next place for holy places in Iraq, in the world. Going for Jordan, Israel, and as well as Baghdad, we'll give accommodation, transport, and full of security and everything. And we have support from Indian government, Indian ambassador in Iraq also. Main object is we are promoting tourism to Iraq, as well as we are getting a heavy revenue from Iraq to India. The people are coming from 1,800 to 900 people are coming to India for medical tourism. So anyhow, we are getting good revenue from heavy revenue. And the people, people are getting a heavy revenue from Indian government, so it's very benefit for us, no? And any people who wants to come to India, as per Mr. Suresh Shetty, they will provide the visa on our luxury rate basis. Yes, we are doing the Iraq, Jordan, Israel, Palestine packages are expensive for that. Authorized agent for India. But see, if he wants to come to India, we'll check with the Musafir company. On the basis of that, he will issue the visas. So no need to get any more process. Given me that Royal Mughal guest because I belongs to that family. The government of India has given me in writing that any guest who are coming to India, they will provide as a VIP guest in one ornaments. So we are giving this service also. The main object is to bring the inbound services, and as well as we are doing outbound only.
So this is first time for you doing it?
No. I mean, in 3 years we have sent 32 groups to Iraq, and a lot of people I brought from America, US, Canada. We are being inbound also.
So response?
Yeah, it's very good because the people are getting more good services, VIP services inside that. Anyhow, we will take this one only.